guys, we're in Las Vegas. We had an insane night last night, so I can't really speak at all. But I am so excited for today's video. You guys obviously know what it is based on the title, but he literally has no idea. We're going out into the middle of the desert with the Supra. Yeah, and that's all he knows so far. Let's go. All right, dude, so I know you have no idea what's going on. Thank you for trusting me that this is gonna be fun. You've never driven a supercar, right?
Never.
Well, you ready?
Stop, dude.
No, you ready? You ready to drive something nuts? You ready to drive multiple supercars, Alex, at one time on an airstrip?
Stop, dude. Oh my God.
All right, dude.
Sick, dude.
We got the keys to all of them. You ready to whip?
Sure.
Gigi Papa Savas. Are you ready to drive some sick cars?
I'm so ready. Always ready.
All right, dude. We got Gigi Papa Savas in the house. What's up? All right. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? I'm dead serious. What are we taking? I don't know. I can't offer up Gigi's GT3 because it's not available. But what do we want? The Huracan or the Aventador?
Huracan.
Why?
Yours,
Dude, I miss mine too. Look.
My favorite. Oh my God, dude.
You want to know what the best part about this Huracan is? It's twin turbo. 1,000 wheel horsepower.
No, bro.
1,000 wheel horsepower.
Stop,
and we are going to an airstrip. We are going to an airstrip. So enjoy, dude. Start that thing up.
I can't believe you.
So look, you flip this thing up, put your foot on the brake, start it up. Oh, you gotta start it up, bro. Oh, Jesus. So the original plan was just to get him a Huracan because he's always loved my supercharged Huracan. I show up to the boys, Royalty Exotics. They hooked us up with all these whips, so link in the description below if you guys want to rent these amazing supercars. But it turns out he goes, we've got a twin turbo one. So I'm like, yeah, Alex is gonna dig that.
Yeah, I'm gonna dig that.
All right, dude, so put it into Corsa mode, obviously. These are the paddles. You have to shift at red line, otherwise the motor might go kaboom.
Bro. Stop.
Enjoy, bro. Enjoy. Love you too, man. Guys, look at this. Brooks drag time. Dude, thank you so much. How dope is this, Gigi?
So cool.
This is one of the coolest things I have ever seen. We got my boy Adam, what's going on with the F10 M5. All right.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Dude, this is the coolest.
Top secret, you can't tell anyone.
Yeah. All right.
No,
Why would I?
That's good for the video.
Why would I want to tell anyone about this?
This is our secret.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, this is.
Yes.
I would love to tell everyone.
Yes.
But I'm gonna be selfish this one time and keep it for us. This is too lit. Enjoy, man.
Hammer in first.
Yeah, dude.
Hit the brakes at like 130.
Brooks,
What's up, buddy?
I'm looking at this and it looks kind of like a pretty cool drift.
Yes, it does.
Fully erect right now.
You are? Have you driven an Aventador?
No, and I cannot stand up right now.
Bro, how is it?
Good. Life is good.
Life is good. You happy?
So happy.
Hell yeah, dude. Is it fast?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, don't look at my lower half.
Are you
right
serious? You're dead serious.
now. I'm fully erect.
Oh my God. All right.
What's up, bud?
We got drag times, 700 horsepower, Lamborghini Aventador.
Yep.
Weighs, I don't know, man, like 4,100 pounds, I
Pretty
believe.
heavy. Yeah.
We've got the Supra, which weighs 3,350, so significantly lighter. Unfortunately, it's not running on E85 because we couldn't find an E85 station anywhere in Nevada. So it's making about 500 to the wheels. So maybe almost 600 at the crank.
Yep.
But it's so much lighter. You've got all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. So we're gonna do a launch, and then we're gonna do a roll. Let's see who wins. From 40 to 90, it might have been a little closer with E85. After that, the gearing on the Supra sucks on the top end.
Yeah.
This is the top end king. The GT3 versus the Supra?
Yeah.
This is too cool! Are you having a blast or what?
so much
This
fun.
is ridiculous. How's it going, Adam? This is freaking dope. Oh, you look nice in that blue.
Oh, do I now?
Oh, yes, you do.
Blue's my color, so
okay.
hello.
Just gun it? Just gun it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ah! How nuts is that? Dude, it sounds good. It sounds good. This is one of the best days ever. The GT3 weighs about the same as this car, maybe a little bit lighter. It makes 530 horsepower, I would guess, at the crank, given her full exhaust setup. And I'm not sure if she has a tune or not, but the gearbox makes a huge difference. Honestly, the gearbox in this car is nice for a daily, but it is nothing like a PDK. But it seemed like, from a roll, pretty even. Do a burnout, bro! Look at what we're doing today. This is the best day ever. An Aventador on an airstrip. Surprised my friend with a... Surprised my friend who's never driven a supercar. Get hype, we're overreacting. But seriously, this is a crazy day, bro. How about a little F10 versus Supra action?
Oh, BMW versus BMW.
I think, let's do it. There's something about the way the Aventador sounds. That car, man. All right, so we got the Supra. You guys know the specs. Then we got a stock F10 M5 competition, 580 horsepower, 4,200 pounds. Let's run it.